Alam niyo ba na bawal mag-park o pumarada sa ilalim ng overpass? Calling the attention of Substation 2 sa ating Magsaysay Avenue kung nandito ko sa Baguio or in some other places in Metro Manila. Dahil ginawa nilang parking space for personal or official vehicles yung ilalim ng overpass. And this is punishable under Republic Act 4136. And ito yung tinatawag nilang illegal parking and right-of-way parking under Republic Act 4136. At of course, ito ay, ang purpose nito tanggalin ang mga obstruction para sa vehicles as well as pedestrians. And dito sa urban city, para tulungan ang traffic decongestion as well as safety ng pedestrians, drivers, and passengers. Ang legal basis ng Republic Act 4136 ay yung provision ng Section 54. No person shall park or leave a vehicle attended or unattended on any highway or public thoroughfare in such a manner to obstruct or impede free passage of vehicles or pedestrians. So ito, very clear naman ang sinasabi ng batas na ito. Siguro inamin natin yung sabi ni PBBM, mahiya naman kayo. Dahil pag law enforcement ka, dapat alam mo yan. No? And may penalty yan. There is a fine ranging from 500 to 5,000. Pwede ring ito. At meron na ring decided case yan. Carlos versus MMDA. 2014 case. Na with or without guidelines or signages, hindi pwedeng mag-park. Baka sabihin mo, wala naman nakalagay na no parking. Nandun nga po sa batas. Di ba? Tayo, alam natin kung nasaan yung toilet sa athletic bowl. Kahit wala namang sign, nandoon ang direction ng toilet. So, ganun din yung kalsada. With or without any sign. Bawal yan. Pag in-enforce ito, no, without reason or ginawa ito without reason ng public officers, they can also be liable for abuse of authority. So, ang daming kaso dito at ito talaga, to repeat, sa underpass or sa overpass, bawal ang mag-park sa ilalim nito.